Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Bluetooth and getting into settings so you can view device identity. Open the Settings app, then tap Bluetooth or connections depending on your platform. Once done, make sure your device is awake and unlocked so names load properly. This prevents cached or hidden entries. You're doing this now because the system shows the current broadcast name in these menus, which is the identifier other devices see when pairing. Now find the actual Bluetooth name displayed in the menu. On Android, tap the device entry or the three-dot menu and choose device name or phone name. On iPhone, open Bluetooth and see your device at the top, or go to General then About to view name. Once visible, that string is what other devices see. Make sure to read it exactly. Case and spaces matter, because changing it will immediately update how your device appears to others. Finish by editing the name field if you want a different Bluetooth label. Type the new name and save or confirm, then close settings. Once changed, turn Bluetooth off and on or reboot to force other devices to refresh that broadcast name. If it still shows the old name, make sure paired devices are forgotten and rediscover. Sometimes caches persist. If problems continue, check for OS updates or reset network settings as a last resort to clear lingering name caches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.